Major Indian and international VRF, variable refrigerant flow, manufacturing brands in India include Deccan, Blue Star, Voltas, Mitsubishi, LG, Panasonic, Samsung, Hitachi, Carrier, Toshiba, and Midea. Other brands like O General and Train also have VRF systems available in the Indian market. Major VRF manufacturing brands in India. 1. Deccan, a leading brand known for its VRV, variable refrigerant volume, systems. 2. Blue Star, a well-known Indian company and a pioneer in the HVAC industry, offering a comprehensive range of products including VRF systems. 3. Voltas, another trusted Indian brand offering a wide variety of HVAC solutions for residential and commercial use, including VRF systems. 4. Mitsubishi Electric, a globally recognized brand with its VRF systems available in India. 5. LG Electronics, a major player in the electronics market with a presence in VRF systems. 6. Panasonic, offers VRF solutions for both residential and commercial applications in India. 7. Samsung, a popular brand known for its wide range of electronic products, including VRF systems. Hitachi, offers VRF systems and is a prominent name in the Indian market. Carrier, known for its HVAC solutions, Carrier also provides VRF systems in India. Toshiba, another established brand with VRF systems available in the Indian market. And Midea, offers a range of HVAC products, including VRF systems. Other brands. O General, a VRF system brand available in India. Train, offers VRF systems and has a significant presence in India through Train Technologies and Train India Limited.